everyone, my name is Gian and welcome to my vlog. I have been slowly ordering things from Shopee for the past 2 months, and some I got scammed and others were fulfilled honestly. And so today we're gonna do an unboxing. So these are all the things that we will be opening right now. And I think I spent around how much more? How much all in all did we pay? Maybe 5,000
Hindi lang.
more. But I also got scammed on Facebook for 5,000 pesos. Yeah, so let the unboxing begin. First off, very transparent. I thought it was a pants, but it's actually a skirt plus a really cute top. And it already has foam, so if you don't have boobs, this is awesome. If you have boobs, even better. I bought that from Facebook Marketplace. This one is called Embryolisse. It's a moisturizer. Le crème concentré. So this is yeah, it's a moisturizer, but it's also a cult favorite among makeup artists. So you know me, I am a wannabe makeup artist. So that's why I bought this, because I plan on improving my quality of my makeup, but I don't know, let's see. And I will be doing a review of this in the next couple of days, and I'm gonna share the link under, by the way guys, because this was the cheapest I found online, like the cheapest price I found online for embroideries. Kinda like this black packaging. It looks more elegant than the white one. See the difference? The black one is more remarkable. I feel like I even want to keep the packaging. Still could keep it, it's really nice. Oh, my makeup brushes! This is for contouring the nose, like this. So this brush is just meant for contour. And then this is a lip brush, so that you would have that ombre effect, or like, you know, like that faded effect on your lips. These are eyeliner brushes for here. You can see that these are angled. Can you see that? It's angled, and it is finer than I can't show you my other brush right now, but this is probably the finest eyeliner brushes that I have. And this one again is for shading of the nose. This one also serves as a concealer brush. What I like about this is these brushes are labeled, so you can see here, concealer, angle shading. So first you angle here and then brush it off. Like this is perfect. Wow, what are this? Because you see, some of this I have ordered like 2 months ago. So most of it I have already forgotten what I've ordered, and it's like Christmas. I've never really received any gifts during Christmas or birthday, but I imagine Christmas is like this. This is it. Oh, it's a luminizer and highlighter. It's a blush. All from Lake Rain. I'm gonna do a review of this too. An unboxing and review. So the shades are here. We're gonna check it out later. More makeup. Oh, and this is a set of a different lip liner. It has 1, 2, 3, 4, around six pieces of lip liner and lip glosses. 6 pieces and liquid lipstick. We'll check. Wow! Only one? These are my Nespresso pods.
Alam ko yan yung dapat na dalawang 299 eh.
Yeah.
Pero ang binayaran ko dyan is 600 plus. Check mo sa packaging.
But it's only one.
Baka
God
dalawa,
uses broken things.
baka dalawa na yan sa loob.
God
Tingnan mo.
uses broken things. Why did they send us
Ano yan?
this? What is broken?
636 yan yung binayaran ko.
636 and how many pieces? I think 12 ano. Oh, I think they just made the box. Parang inassemble yung box. Oh yeah, inassemble lang ang box. Because this was what I was expecting. One was a Vietnamese coffee. Cafe Viet. And Teh Malaysian, Singaporean Malaysian coffee. That was what I was expecting. This one. For my makeup. Oh my God. Muntik ko nang makat. Or nakat ko ba? Muntik ko nang makat, Mark.
Yung sa kabilang side.
Wow. These are finger, what do you call that? Basta ganyan, finger, whatever, finger. Yan na yan. Hindi ko nang makat.
Balik mo sa plastic yun, nagkakalat yan, maliliit lang yan.
Wala na, nakat ko na yung
Mas
plastic.
nasa plastic siya. Hindi meron pa natin.
And this one, oh, lying silkworm shades for Angyusal. I'm gonna do a review of all of this in the next couple of days. This is for the Angyusal. And this is what? Silkworm pen pa rin? Ano ba yan? Ba't maraming silkworm pen? Oh, double eyelid cream. Itatry ko kasi dito gusto ko magka-double eyelid. Mixing palette. Kasi ito nang uso ngayon when you're using foundation. Sa Korean makeup, ganito daw yon. Demo ko sa inyo next time. Ay, naku, Gianna.
Hindi mo ilagay yung finger pads.
Dito?
Sa yan. Sa loob niyan, huwag mo alisin sa plastic, lagay mo sa loob niyan.
JNT Express. Ay, ano to? Ay, yung Filipiniana. For my best friend's wedding. Thank you for supporting our small business. Bili din kami ng ganyan. Ang daming plastic. Green naman, pero hindi siya...
Parang sila.
How do I wear this? Ano to?
Hindi, sa likod yan, pinuputi. Parang hindi, ano yun, parang scarf. Yan, naka-putok sa shoulder yan, kaya ganyan.
Next video na lang kasi I don't know how to use it. Mark will teach me.
Naka sa shoulder.
I don't know how to use it. The kalimba for my boss. Nako. Pinabili ako ng kalimba. Oh, may kalimba na. May kalimba key. The other set that I bought, yung set ko, walang kalimba keys. So this is a good set. This is for my boss. He requested that. Every time he sees me, he's like, where's my kalimba? So there goes. I bought you a kalimba na. What? Gosh! Ang kalat ng confetti. Confetti using old paper. I don't really find this cute. It reminds me of daga. Kinain yung mga papel. Look. Nakita na kayo ng daga na kinain ng papel ninyo. Dermide Zika Barrier Sleeping Pack. Purito. Freebie. Thank you for the freebie. And this one are Japanese eye drops. For when your eyes are dry and red. I don't know the difference because I don't read Japanese. But I got them in two colors, blue and orange. Yeah. So it is throwing away this trash. This one is Ewan. This is for my condo unit. Mark and I are gonna send it to Cebu. Eto, ano to?
Ba?
Yung bag. Oh, I got the Japanese backpack. Eto lang to, wala nang iba. Oh, sad. Konti lang pala. Pero maraming perang lumabas sa pitaka. Ay, wag natin itapon ng box. Oh,
Sabi lahat yan, gagawin yan.
lagay sa loob mo. Ang cute. Oh, may damage sa gilid. Ah, may wear na pala siya, no? May signs of wear kasi second hand to. Like here kasi palawig hinahawakan. But it's still pretty. Paano natin ito lilinisan?
Wipes lang yan.
Ha?
Wipes. Hindi mo pwede laban yan.
Oh, sa loob, oh. But cute. So that's my unboxing. Next, I'm gonna show you my Bangkok, Thailand shopping. And that's for my next vlog. Bye!